My people, your brother, your friend, the wounded civilian, don't come. You know, I love my people because my brother concern is my concern. I love my people. One love. Today, but waiting me at the year say, or waiting I see today, it make me cry. Sadden my heart. A group of terrorists from the north, yes, a group of terrorists from the north. They go to Anambra. They enter church where people they worship God. They begin kill them. You go ask, say, why I say group of criminals, group of terrorists from the north? We all know say those now this Islamic terrorists. Now if you do this kind of thing, first time we dey hear this kind of thing for south. First time we don't say crime. People they kill people. Crime there for south too. But with a year of criminal, say they go fit catch people for road, steal from you for highway, rob you when you dey go market or when you dey go working place or when you dey travel, they feel rob you. But we never hear first time how we hear this guy say people go come, killers go come inside church, begin keep people. You know, whether they're young or old, begin just to keep people. Now first time. So we know the people they do this kind of thing. If they happen for the north every day, we need the people who they do them. That's why I say, now the terrorists from the north. See the stupid Obano, he come back and tell us say, now the crime, like some foreign Nigerians were there for outside the country, a drug-related kind of crime. Now they do this kind of now what the fuck are you talking about? We don't do beef for this kind of nonsense. Who's going to tell us this kind of rubbish? Even though say na true say the thing concern drug where Nigerians go there for outside they do. Even though that drug, what did they come keep person for? If the person there inside the church, they go target that person. That person, even though that person give them money, they're not agree. Now that person they go target. But in this case, they kill everybody they see for inside the church. And you go enter church, begin kill people. You tell me saying they find person, then all the people they kill, then now they do the drug with you for outside the country. We don't too big for this cock and bull story. Obano must be very stupid for him to think he could give this press statement to deceive. We don't too big for this one. They do this one to distract my people, to scatter my people, to cause confusion, division among the Biafran people, so that make them fight themselves, make them forget about this agitation thing. Now this non-tanners one. That's why they send their terrorists come. We know what they happen. But my people, don't trouble your heart. Leave it where it belongs. Make you not worry on heart at all. They don't fail and they will continue to fail. We will continue to agitate for our freedom. We're going to fight for our freedom, seek for our freedom, demonstrate for our freedom, protest for our freedom. We don't stay for this slavery for too long. The time of our freedom is now. Make you don't let this their propaganda, this their killings cause disunity among us. See what in Obano they talk. He said pity say Igbo governors, they sell them to people for position and money like this. They disgrace their people like this. Because of money where they steal for government. Because of money where you don't steal. You want to protect your money where you don't steal. And you forget about millions of Igbos where they suffer. This agitation, whether they fight for Biafra, now for better life, now people they join now. Now people say they want to fight for their freedom. But these rich people, where they government, where don't sell their people for position and money, they say they don't want that. Make they die for suffer like this. That's why I tell my Biafra people, we are with you people. We are with you in this struggle. Together we will sing the song of victory. In the end, now together we will sing that song of victory. Now, what the government is supposed to be do if they want Biafra make it stable? They're supposed to campaign themselves. They tell Nigeria, tell the world, say, Biafra, if you go, you don't go see good light as you see now. Constant light. If you go, you don't get good education as you enjoy for Nigeria. If you go, you don't get this job employment work where they did, you don't get them. If you go, you don't get a good hospital. But our government not get anything to proud of. That's why they threaten the Igbo with war by force. Now they want to threaten the Igbos. When are they small? When are they grow? I tell my father, I say, why did they say we get 2-3 old soldiers for our family? Why did they call them old soldier? Now my baba tell me, say, you know what? Including him, they all fight for war. They go war. They be army before. Now then fight this Biafra thing. I say, oh, Biafra. Now then start to tell me the story of Biafra. I say, but when my uncles, why these people, not people in my house? No, many for my area, almost every house get 1 or 2 old soldier. And these people, they are not normal. These people, they are not, you know, some of them with the thing, with the injection and the stuff, where they get for this war. I said, why government not they care for? They say, now the life where the, now so it be, you know, government after the war, now you know, now they sack all of them. So these people, some of them don't die now. Most of them don't die now. People for Edo, I use Edo as an example. When I know what I talk about, almost every house, 60% of all the house, they get their own soldier. Now, these people fight for war to keep Nigeria one. For Buhari to become a billionaire. For Obasanjo to be spending their children for abroad. Why some of these old soldiers not even cannot marry? Some of them they don't confuse. Their mind is rubbish with the things where they see for war, the killings for war, what they see for war. Some of them don't die now, no pension, nothing. We don't forget about them. So they fight civil war. So for Buhari to the chop chicken or they stay for the best hospital for London. Now that is the reason why people like us they fight. If Nigeria belongs to all of us, so all of us go they gain now. Me not feel support one Nigeria where me go they suffer they go. Who the injure and they go. Me not feel suffer that one. One of my friends when did diaspora here the day you guys they come and say why they support Biafra? Why you know they support one Nigeria? I say make you shut the fuck up, shut your mouth. Why we support one Nigeria? You where they ask what you they get for this one Nigeria? You don't what you they get tell me. Now here you go do all kinds of job, hard job, you know go sleep, you look for money to take care of yourself, to take care of to assist your family for house. Family go they call you, they need this one, they need that one. For the Nigeria, UK here, they also take support your family. So now tell me what you they get. If country good, or they call you like this. Now only Nigerians they here. We get other for this Europe, other countries they here too. Where their country good, you know, see their parents or their parents, their brothers, sisters, go they call them, they bring money here and there. It is because of the country hard. So make you know they tell me why they support Biafra. They support Biafra because I know say Nigeria and I'm okay country. It not go work. There's something we go do when Nigeria take work. Nigeria don't die. The only thing it is division. Now only division. And they tell one of those guy the other day say, if they come here, they write me, they test me, they insult me, they support Biafra. You are a bad guy. You be this. I say make all of them go to her. Make I still use the. I know the try target Edo. Make I still use Edo as an example. Edo is a great empire at that time. We fight so many wars. We conquer so many cities. We conquer and go reach Mali. Edo was really great empire. We really great that time. Even 1975, nine Niamey. It come see Oba for Benin. 1975, now they changed their name from Niamey to Benin Republic. Now they bear that name now. They bear now. Just to respect the Edo, say yes, Edo was ruling them and we give them good government data. Now they bear that name. They come and certify that they change that. What the Banner 87, what you go come call the fight war with us? Because they hear about us. They hear about the great kingdom where Edo get that time. If Edo people should come now and say, you know what, we don't want to join Nigeria again. Nigeria not favor us. We want to go back to, we want to regain our pride. We want to do empire again. Begin right to UN or right to UK. Make them assist us. Say we don't want to join Nigeria. We want to get our own kingdom the way it used to be before the British country join us together. So Nigeria and the outsiders in the north will bring armor cars. They will bring the war jet on the bomb Edo. Will you be happy? Now that they do to Igbo now. Not be by force to live together. Not be by force. Not be by force to live together. We almost now we be the second class, third class citizen for Nigeria. Where outside, we go the honorary Nigerian man for South go carry knife for pocket. Police say why you carry knife, they go jail you, they go beat you. Outside for go they carry gun, they go wherever they get, wherever they go. Where the enter people find, kill anybody, nobody they arrest them. And not for this nonsense. When they share this country, everybody go in no separate way. You think say they share this country, the answers for the north, they don't say they share this country, they now will last 10 years. They don't even get their own Islamic Boko Haram where they kill them already. Now our money here, now that they draw from South and where they take care of their terrorists. Where they suffer here. We not get nothing. The place where they get the oil, they don't pollute the land. Land not they grow anything again. They don't pollute their water. They don't pollute their hair. And you people jump for South and Niger Delta, just they look like don't be, una be fool. Not go to clock. We just say the oil there for the north, they'll use and repair on our place. The no be a day for no. They use and they develop their place. Any big development for the north, now that they pass for Senate. Now by force to read, they don't write out for Quran say we must stay together with the north. But then they worry people for south. They worry people for the south. If Yorubas want marry them forever, then they go marry themselves. Then we come out. How they stay with these people? I don't hate anybody, but now the truth, since we don't want to learn, they want to say we will remain a perpetual slave. Look, not expect any government, maybe they support this thing where we talk. They're not going to support because they have to protect their investment. Now they enjoy it. Now we were there on Arabian and they cry. So we must tell them, say we don't need them. Everybody go their own separate way. Thank you.